Hi, my name is Derek Narenberg, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to map a hiking horse and biking trail. The JuicyTrails map is built using OpenStreetMap data. In the JuicyTrails map, hiking horse and biking trails are colored dark orange as you see here. Today we are going to map the Sweet Dreams Trail, and here is what it looks like after I mapped it. Okay, so let's map a hiking horse and biking trail. To do so, you just need to go to JuicyTrails.com, then move the map to the area where you would like to map a trail. So here we are in Salida, Colorado, and there is a new trail called the Sweet Dreams Trail and the Arkansas Hills Trail Network that I want to map. I'm just going to click Improve this map link. It's going to open up the OpenStreetMap ID editor customized for JuicyTrails. Just zoom in till you reach the level where the OpenStreetMap data appears. Before I get started mapping, I just want to point out a few things. First of all, this editor obviously includes the OpenStreetMap data. It also includes the JuicyTrails map style by default, which is what we're looking at. And other types of background imagery is also provided, of which the being aerial imagery is super useful. And then it also includes the Strava global heat map data, represented by these blue dots here. This Strava heat map data is probably one of the best things that's ever happened to trail mapping because it shows where users have actually traveled a trail. So here is the trail that we want to map, Sweet Dreams, the new one, right? And so to map the trail, all you need to do is click the line tool, and I'm going to start right there at the intersection of Cottonwood and South Backbone. And I'll point out that you don't need to map every fine curve and twist of a trail with this editor. I'll show you why in just a minute. All you need to do initially is hit the apex of corners, and this is a pretty long trail. So I will catch you around the horn when I'm near the finish. Okay, so here we are, about done. Trail terminates on this dirt road here. Just double click the last point, and there you see is our vector line for the trail that we roughed in. This editor also includes another super handy tool called the slide tool. To access it, just click off the line, click back on it again. You're going to get this palette of tools here. This is the slide tool, and you'll see what it does. It aligns the vector line with the heat map data, which is super handy because it allows you to rapidly map trails. You might find sometimes in really tight corners where the global heat map data is bunched up, you might need to improve the corners a little bit. So I'll just do that real quick. That's an old route. This is the new one. Okay, so there is our vector line. So now what we need to do is we need to tag it, because tags tell OpenStreetMap and also the JuicyTrails servers how to render a trail. So this is a multi-use trail that we're going to tag path and path again. And we're going to name it Sweet Dreams. And then we're going to tag it with a foot equals yes tag, a bicycles equals yes tag, and a horse equals yes tag, because all those uses are permitted. You don't need to add a surface tag in order for it to show up as an orange trail in the JuicyTrails map, but it's helpful. I always go with ground or dirt. Alright, so now we've drawn our trail, we've tagged it, now it's time to save it. If you don't already have an OpenStreetMap account, it'll ask you to create one. I already have one, so I'm good to go. So I'm going to type in a commit message, tells other users what I've done, the type of edit I made. So I'm going to type in create Sweet, not sweat, Sweet Dreams Trail. So I'll save it. That edit will update to the OpenStreetMap database and will be picked up by the JuicyTrails server within 24 hours and show that as an orange line named Sweet Dreams. That's it. Thanks for watching.